I don't want flowers. I want handbags. Everyone, I hope you all are ready to get your bags organized. Before organizing, there were few steps that we need to follow, and I'm sure that you all must have followed that steps and your bags are ready to be organized. Let's take a recap. So before we organize our bags and I show you different methods or ways to organize your handbags, clutches or wallets, let me tell you one thing, that from these methods, whatever methods that I am showing you, you will have to choose whatever suits the best for you. So whatever method you choose will depend on the space available in the house and the number of bags you have. So, and you can definitely have mixed combination of methods, there may be two methods that may suit you, so you can just use any combination that suits the best for you. So let us now see one of the method to organize your handbags. So we can organize our bags in this storage box. It's very simple. We have already stored our bags. You can just put them in this. So you can just put all the handbags in this, and if you are using this as an option, do not forget to put silicone gel sachets in this to absorb moisture. So this is one of the way of organizing our handbags. So this is one of the organizer that you can use to store your bags. It is available online as an organizer for storing handbags. And the advantage of this is that you can hang this in your closet or anywhere else. And it can take almost 6 bags depending on the size. So let us organize our bags in this now. So this is how it will look after organizing your bags. You can hang this wherever you want. So let us see now how to organize our clutches and wallets. So I'm going to use this empty box to organize or keep my clutches and wallets in this. So you can see we can organize our clutches and wallets in this way, and it is visible also, and it will have a place of its own. So to organize a sling bag, so you can make use of this S-shaped hooks available in the market. you can hang this in your closet or anywhere else. We can also make use of this S hooks to hang the bigger bags that cannot fit in the bag organizer. So you can use this S hooks to hang your big bags too. So you can use this kind of stands to also organize your handbags or slings. So this is also a way of organizing your bags. So this is how we can organize our bags and our clutches, wallets in a cupboard. So I have used this bag hanger, and also you can see we have used the S hooks to hang the slings and some of the handbags, and there's a box which has all the clutches and the wallets. So this is how we can use multiple products to organize our handbags. You can organize your sling bags and your handbags even behind the door. So there are organizers that are available online for behind the door organizing. So I will just give you a picture of that, and it is available on Amazon. This is one of the way you can organize your handbags behind the door if you have less space in your closet. So today we have seen different methods or ways to organize your handbags. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you have liked my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.